creating a minimalist bathroom that feels both stylish and spacious can be a rewarding design challenge. In homes and apartments where space is limited, every inch matters, and the bathroom, often one of the smallest rooms, must be thoughtfully designed to balance practicality and aesthetics. A minimalist approach offers the perfect solution. It simplifies the environment, reduces clutter, and enhances a sense of calm. With the right design choices, even the tiniest bathroom can look open, airy, and inviting. 1. Embrace the power of simplicity. At the heart of minimalist design lies simplicity. The first step toward achieving a smart, space-saving bathroom is to remove unnecessary elements. Every fixture, piece of furniture, and decorative accessory should have a purpose. Avoid overly ornate patterns or excessive decor that can visually shrink the room. Instead, focus on clean lines, smooth surfaces, and a neutral color palette. White, beige, and light gray are timeless minimalist colors that help create the illusion of space by reflecting light. A simple backdrop also allows you to highlight textures, such as matte tiles or wooden accents, without overwhelming the design. Remember, the minimalist principle is not about having less for the sake of less. It's about having only what truly adds value to the space. 2. Choose compact fixtures. Modern bathroom design offers a wide range of compact fixtures designed specifically for small spaces. Wall-mounted toilets and sinks, for instance, can free up valuable floor space while maintaining a clean, contemporary appearance. Floating vanities are another excellent choice. They make the room appear larger by exposing more visible floor area and can provide discreet storage underneath. Corner sinks and toilets are particularly effective for oddly shaped bathrooms or tight layouts, utilizing space that would otherwise go unused. Likewise, a walk-in shower with a frameless glass enclosure takes up less space than a bulky bathtub while giving the room a sleek, open look. Opt for minimalist hardware. Slim faucets, narrow towel bars, and streamlined shower heads to maintain visual balance. Each detail should contribute to an overall sense of cohesion and efficiency. 3. Use vertical space wisely. When floor space is limited, think vertically. Installing shelves or cabinets that reach up to the ceiling maximizes storage potential without encroaching on the room's footprint. Open shelving can store towels, toiletries, and small baskets neatly, while closed cabinets help conceal clutter for a more polished appearance. Consider adding a recessed shelf or built-in niche in the shower wall to keep shampoo bottles organized without requiring extra storage units. Vertical towel racks or ladder-style holders are also stylish alternatives to traditional towel bars, providing function without taking up much room. Even small additions like hanging hooks or narrow ledges above the toilet can make a big difference. The goal is to take advantage of unused wall space while keeping the floor area as open as possible. 4. Play with light and reflection. Lighting plays a crucial role in how spacious a bathroom feels. Natural light is always ideal, so if possible, let daylight flow through windows or skylights without heavy coverings. Frosted glass or sheer blinds can offer privacy while still allowing light to pass through. Artificial lighting should be layered and strategically placed. Combine ambient lighting with task lights around the mirror for grooming activities, and consider LED strips beneath vanities or shelves for a subtle glow. Soft, diffused light prevents harsh shadows, making the bathroom appear larger and more relaxing. Mirrors, meanwhile, are the secret weapon of space illusion. A large, frameless mirror over the vanity can double the sense of space by reflecting both light and surroundings. For even greater impact, place mirrors opposite windows or light sources to amplify brightness and depth. 5. Integrate hidden storage solutions. A minimalist bathroom thrives on order, so effective storage is essential. Built-in storage solutions help maintain a clean, uncluttered look. Consider recessed medicine cabinets behind mirrors or drawers integrated into the vanity for a seamless design. Sliding doors or pull-out drawers are often better choices than traditional hinged options, as they save space and improve accessibility in tight areas. Baskets and bins in uniform colors can also keep small items like toiletries and cleaning supplies neatly contained. Another clever solution is using under-sink organizers or stackable containers to maximize every inch of available space. The key is to ensure everything has a designated place. This keeps the countertop clear and maintains the minimalist aesthetic. 6. Opt for large tiles and continuous surfaces. The choice of materials can greatly influence how spacious a bathroom feels. Large format tiles reduce the number of grout lines, creating a smoother, more continuous visual flow that makes the room appear larger. Light-colored tiles, particularly in matte or satin finishes, enhance brightness while hiding water spots and fingerprints better than glossy surfaces. For flooring and walls, consider using the same tile design to unify the space. This seamless transition visually expands the area and eliminates harsh breaks in the layout. Similarly, a floating countertop that extends across one wall can create a sleek, cohesive surface that doubles as both vanity and workspace. If you prefer texture, use it sparingly, perhaps a single feature wall of stone or wood look tile, to add depth without cluttering the visual space. 7. Keep the color palette calm and cohesive. Color plays a subtle yet powerful role in minimalist bathroom design. A calm and cohesive palette enhances the sense of order and tranquility. Stick to soft neutrals, white, cream, sand, or pale gray, and introduce contrast sparingly through accents like black fixtures or dark wood tones. For those who crave a touch of color, muted pastels such as sage green or powder blue can work beautifully without disrupting the minimalist harmony. The key is consistency. Avoid mixing too many shades or textures that compete for attention. To complete the look, choose bathroom accessories that blend seamlessly with the overall color theme. Think matching soap dispensers, towel sets, and storage baskets. Even small details like a matte black faucet or brushed brass handle can elevate the design with understated elegance. 8. Streamline decor and add organic touches. Minimalism doesn't mean the space has to feel cold or sterile. A few carefully chosen decorative elements can add warmth and personality. Instead of cluttering shelves with trinkets, introduce organic touches such as a small potted plant, bamboo accessories, or a wooden bath mat. Natural materials soften the clean lines and contribute to a spa-like atmosphere. Limit decorative items to 1 or 2 focal pieces, perhaps a framed artwork or a sculptural vase. Keep surfaces as bare as possible and let texture and material be the main sources of visual interest. The less visual noise, the more serene and spacious your bathroom will feel.